Final bags ready once again. Racing just is started. We have Ikaw Ha. First to show quickness at the start. Deceiving and on the outside. Perfect moment. Chief Josan is down on the inside. Boss Barawana. Then next online now is entry number 8. Sulong Pinoy. Ella Enjoy. Then down on the inside now is Flawless. While Seeing Lorky is the early trailer by about 9 lengths of the lead. And as they swing down the back, we have Deceiving by about 5 lengths. Chief Josan is right behind in second. Perfect moment. Moving up now on the outside is Boss Barawana. Sulong Pinoy comes next. Ella Enjoy. Seeing Lorky now moving up on the outside. Ikaw Ha. While Flawless now racing in less. And at the far turn, we have Deceiving by only a length. Chief Josan now moving up on the outside to take the lead. Boss Barawana now to take second. Deceiving Sulong Pinoy. Seeing Lorky. Perfect moment. Ella Enjoy. Ikaw Ha. While Flawless is still racing in less than as they swing for home. We have Chief Josan by over the length. And on the outside now is Boss Barawana. With about 100 meters of the race, we have Chief Josan followed by Boss Barawana. And finally it's Chief Josan, Boss Barawana, Sulong Pinoy, perfect moment. Then comes Seeing Lorky, Ella Enjoy.
198, 637.